Hello guys, today we are going to know about HP Envy 6000 printer setup. Here are the steps you'll need to follow. 1. Unpack the printer and remove all the packaging materials. 2. Connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into an electrical outlet. 3. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. 4. Follow the prompts on the printer's display to select your language, country/region, time/date, and other settings. 5. Install the ink cartridges by opening the ink cartridge access door and inserting the cartridges into their corresponding slots until they click into place. 6. Load paper into the input tray by pulling it out and sliding the paper width guides to their outermost positions, then inserting the paper into the tray and sliding the guides until they rest against the edges of the paper. 7. Download and install the HP Smart app on your smartphone or tablet. 8. Open the app and follow the prompts to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. 9. Once your printer is connected to the network, you can start printing from your device. That's it. If you have any further questions or issues, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.